Are you bored seeing the same wallpaper or the same background theme in your Windows 11 desktop screen? How can you be able to get super cool that is background themes in Windows 11? How do you go about it? Let's get started. So in this video we'll be focusing on how you can be able to obtain or how you can be able to get these super cool background themes. So how do you go about it? So all you need to do is just click this icon here and proceed to settings. Then in settings we need to go to personalization, and we want to just click personalization. We need to go to themes. There you need to click this button here, themes. Just double click or just go click. Then the moment you just double click themes, because we want to get some more themes apart from the default one that we have in Windows 11. For example, this theme, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are Windows 11 default background themes. So we need to get some more background themes, and for you can be able to get these background themes that is from Microsoft App Store. So how can you be able to get these background themes? And actually these background themes are open source and they are free. So we'll just visit Microsoft App Store. Then from there you can be able to download these applications and install them into our machine. So you just need to click this browse button, and when you click the browse button it will take you to Microsoft App Store. And you can see in Microsoft App Store we have several that is background theme, and you can see they are indicated that they are free, so you don't have to pay for anything. You will not be charged for getting these applications. So you can just install these applications that are free. We have some others that are owned, meaning that you have to pay for you to be able to get that application, but we have so many of them that you can be able to install into your machine without any charges. If for example you like a motor vehicle, so you just need to click that is Ford Mustang RTR Formula Drift. So you just need to click that that image, and then from there you need to proceed by clicking that is get. And the moment you just click get, that application will actually be installed into your PC. So it just take a few seconds. It's downloading. As you can see, it's the download is starting download, and now you can see it has already started downloading. So it's a very easy process. So you just have to wait for a few minutes and for a few seconds for the application to be downloaded. And now the download is complete. You can see that now the installation is in progress, and the moment installation is complete, you can see I have this button has already changed from that is installation, that is now to open. So the moment you just click open, it will take you back that is personalization under themes. Now from there we need to change our background. This is our initial background. Let me first of all show you. This is our initial background, so we can just change to something super cool. For example, I can just click this image that this background that we have just downloaded. So it just take a few seconds to update, and it will be very cool, and the image has already updated. Then you can go to the background, and now you can see I've been able to change my background. So we have super cool background. Let me for example switch and go to the next background. Under this category you can see we have there are several very amazing that is background. So that is how simply you can be able to get these background themes. So in case you are bored or you are used to having that is Windows 11 default background, you can just visit the Microsoft App Store and be able to install super cool that is Windows 11 backgrounds. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.